What's up? It's Foxy again, and I am currently walking a trail behind my grandpa's house. Not my grandpa, but my uncle. And I'm thinking of heading back. Bug. Go away. The reason why I have a southern accent is because I've been here in South Carolina for about 3 weeks now. I'm heading back tonight, tomorrow, anywho, and I just been hanging out with Southern family, and yeah, oh, hello. But it was raining earlier. I got my umbrella with me. You can, oh, it's huge, I know. And yeah, I'm just sitting on the top of a hill right now, and I'm thinking of heading back, as I said. So yeah, so I'm heading back right now, but I'm walking I don't want to walk all the way around like I did before, because that was actually work. And I was playing Pokemon Go, and apparently you have to keep the app up. You cannot like put your phone in sleep mode as you have the app running in the background. That don't work when hatching an egg. So that kind of pissed me off. Not gonna lie. So, and I'm so sorry. It's going closer. But it has been draining my battery, which honestly did kind of tick me off, not gonna lie. But there's this golden retriever just sitting here barking at me, like legit. We're just sitting there. He's been barking at me for the last 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour right now. It's annoying. But yeah. I was playing Pokemon Go, like you said. Who of y'all play that game? Because it's actually pretty damn addicting. So, will you shut up? So yeah, don't know what else to say. Howdy, I guess. Was thundering earlier, which, anyway. So I did go out to get some ice cream. It was actually quite delicious. And let's see, we went to Lands and we got ice cream and a cone, which I was not expecting. It was actually pretty good because they home make the ice cream. My arm is getting tired. Probably because I'm walking up a hill. Now there's actually a story behind those vines. Right now, you guys pause this video if you know what it is. But give you 10 seconds. 10. Okay. Basically what it is, write in the comments if you know what it is. This guy was a damn idiot and decided that the vines are pretty, and he took them home, and now they're all over South Carolina. Yeah, no, it's too bad. But yeah, y'all see that behind me? I have no clue what that is, so don't ask. Don't ask. But yeah. Question of the day. Do you guys play Pokemon Go? And what's your highest Pokemon? Are you serious? It is fucking raining. Yes. Of course the damn thing is raining. So irritating. But yeah, question of the day, do you guys play Pokemon Go and shit like that? So, and to all those who live in South Carolina, I feel for you. I really do feel for you. So yeah, snap, clap, do whatever. I don't give a shit. So peace, y'all. Bye.